Huge boy. One arm. It's all good though. Let's make over the gauge. Woo! Let's go. Another gauge buster right here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to give a report on that day, November 13, 2021. I was able to meet up with the Joy of Living, Tony. Awesome, thank you so much for the food and the good vibes. If you have been to Ocean Beach that day, it was a little rough. I was throwing out 12 to 13 ounces. That's including with a Sputnik. I always use a Sputnik weight just to kind of keep everything there, keep it down and ready. That was my dad right there. Yeah, he's always coming out. It was actually his first time out since the season started, but he had a great time. He was actually trying to go for striper that day, but you know, no luck. He was a little heavy after I checked it. Ooh, crab on. Let's go. Not bad for first cast on that second rod.
Yeah. Oh, maybe not. This one's cheaper, yeah. Okay. What's my gauge at? I don't know, is that? Yeah, it is. Fucking it hits. Oh, it's cheaper, creepers.
Just a little tiny bit over 5 3/4.
Yeah,
Barely made it. That second one though,
go, baby. That line.
that was a shaker, so I'd throw that one back. Sonny, thanks for always meeting me out there, man. It's always good seeing you, brother. Yeah, I was pretty excited about that first pull, man. But you know what? After that, it got a little slow. The tide was just too rough.
These right here. A whole bunch of that.
Oh, yeah, the crabs.
Yeah, the crabs.
Oh, so the season just opened.
It just opened. It opened on the 6th.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And is that for commercial also? Or just in-
Commercial starts, they got delayed because of the whales.
Yes, I
so
know
they got delayed till the 22nd. We're hoping more. We're hoping that they get delayed a little more so we can get our fill.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really nice.
Yeah.
What is the limit that you can take as
For
non-professionals?
each person, it's 10 per person.
10 per person?
10
That's
per
a
person,
lot.
yeah.
And 7 inch or?
The smallest is 5 3/4. I have my gauge there, but we have a gauge shows a 5 3/4. If it's shorter than that, we throw it back.
So are you a fishing outfit? I'm looking at your shirt.
It's me and my dad. I make the snares.
I see.
Yeah, so I make lead-free snares. Oh, this one we found on the beach. I make these. Actually, let me show you how mine looks like. I already sold out, but these are the ones how they look like. So I sell them. They're lead-free. I use steel. I machine cut steel. You know, everyone uses lead. Everyone uses these, but I'm trying to do something a little different, and a little bit healthier.
Good for you. Do you know anyone who needs them?
But
Is it key?
Snare.
yeah, I can take down your email, or if you can email me, I can send you my catalog, and then when I have more in stock, because right now I'll probably be out of stock for another few weeks because I'm kind of back ordered.
And he belongs to the San Francisco Outrigger canoe.
Oh, okay.
Goes out from Chrissy Field.
And
Okay.
Gone out and
They go out.
Marvin.
to get crab that
I'm Joel.
They went out.
Yeah.
I'm Joel, by the way.
Hi, Joel.
Hi,
I'm
nice to
Louise.
meet you. Louise, nice to meet you. Marvin, nice to meet you. I'm Joel. This is my dad, Manny. So we try to go fishing any chance we get.
There's always some people here. We don't come out that often to the other side of the city. Where it's beautiful and sunny.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, enjoy.
All right, Louise, Marvin, nice meeting you guys. Have a good day. It looks short. Might be short. Yeah, short.
Yeah, that's been the story through the whole day at Ocean Beach. A lot of shorties being brought up. Not a lot of keepers. There are keepers here and there, but you know what? That day just wasn't my day. Another throwback. Damn. Yeah.
Hey, Dad. Enjoying the view? Dad's got that trip on right now. Who else we got with me? Who else we got? No, we got Omega 5's here, but you right here, right in front of me.
Okay.
What's up, brother?
Sunny Beach.
How's the bike going been lately since the season has opened?
Not opener was phenomenal, but
Opener was great, right?
second during the week it's slow.
So basically, all these crabs, it feels like they're just all hiding in a hole, and everyone's
They're
already
just waiting for us to catch them.
Yeah, and then after that,
Everybody
nothing
took 'em
else.
all.
Everyone took them all. You guys got to go deeper. You guys
Now
got
we
to
gotta
go
wait for the
deeper.
cold. Gotta wait for the cold.
So do you prefer high tide, low tide?
Slack tide.
Okay.
Slack
Slack
tide on
tide.
the beach.
Slack tide at the beach. Hear that, guys? Slack tide at the beach. Whew. We have everyone out here. Oh, Omega 5's on. That's Omega 5 fish right there.
Yeah, so after that, we didn't manage to catch any more, but we came home with the no skunk. Or actually, my dad did. I ended up going to Pacifica Pier. So at Pacifica Pier, that was my first cast. I actually got a nice gauge buster from there. And that gauge buster came with 2 pregnant females. There's a lot of that there. The bite was pretty hot that, you know, even the sand shark was getting in on that action. Man, Elvin, really great to meet you, man. To finally meet you in person. This was the gauge buster. Didn't even fit on the big gauge buster. Woo. But Laura, good seeing you out there, buddy. Thanks for picking up that merch as well. Yeah, here's that big one that I just picked up. This is actually the biggest one I picked up so far.
Huge boy.
For this season.
One arm. It's all good though. Let's measure her up. Him up. Over the gauge. Ooh, let's go. Another gauge buster right here.
So although it was slow for me, I caught a total of 3 that whole day. But you know, there's some big ones out there, man. And they're there. It's just the right timing, the right place, the right tide. If you guys made it through this whole video, thank you so much. Make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I'll try to have a little bit more content out there for you guys, but hey, I gotta go crabbing now, so I'll see you guys next time.